being able to go from a single page brief to a multi-page design instantaneously is going to be massive. And we're excited to start being able to roll that out to more and more platforms.
Hi, everyone. I'm Bree from the Product Partnerships team here at Superhuman. I focus on Go, our agentic platform that works across all the platforms that our customers work in most. And today I'm super excited to be joined by Meredith Hassett, developer advocate from Canva. And we're going to share more about an upcoming release that we are doing for the Canva agent in Go. Hi, Meredith.
Hi, Bree. So excited to be here today and show the Canva agent in Go.
Let's get into it and show people what the agent does.
Yeah. Would love to. Let's take a look at this hackathon initiative that we're working on together. So this brief just came into me. I'm looking at it. I'm like, this is super exciting, but we need to spin up like the Luma post or something really quickly, get it out on LinkedIn. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Go platform, go to the Canva agent, and I'm going to ask Canva to help me generate a LinkedIn post design, if I can spell that is, for this upcoming event. And because Superhuman has access to the context of the page, it's going to be able to understand every bit of information it needs from me directly from looking at this Google Doc that was shared with me. We work with external partners a lot. Not all of them are on Canva docs like us. So it's able to look at the context even on Google Docs. And then it's going to call Canva's tools to start generating designs. So it's going to use all of that information it's finding on the page about our upcoming event and generate some thumbnail designs for me. Generate Design is one of our more longer running tools. It is using AI to go ahead and try to generate that. So it may take a second here, but here we go. We see 4 candidate designs right off the bat. These are all looking great, but maybe I want to actually make sure that Canva's brand is applied, especially if I'm promoting this from my own personal account.
Yeah, that seems like very important for a lot of our customers, especially I'm sure our designers will appreciate that.
Yes, we try to make sure everything is on brand. And so we've made sure to introduce brand tools as well to our agent so that no matter where you're designing, what context you have in your designs, you're able to make sure it stays on brand and it's consistent. And another thing too is I can also look and search for existing designs. So we have search tools available in here as well. You're also able to get context as well. So I love being able to find that document and just give me the TLDR on it. I don't want to have to read through the whole thing. I want just the latest updates. And it's able to present that information right there in context. And here we go. Here are our on-brand Canva designs. We love to see that Canva gradient. And then if I want to use that design and edit it, I can just easily click that Canva link. It's going to open up the design and everything on here is editable. So we can go ahead and make any changes that we need to make sure it's, again, on brand, maybe adding in your logo as well, adding in the Canva logo, and our post is then ready to go.
Awesome. This is great and such an easy process to be able to generate all those different designs and design options in Canva. Great. Well, thanks for walking through that demo. I have a couple more questions for you, Meredith. I'm curious, someone who's building a new agent with the platform, what would you say are the most important things to get right to make sure that that's as useful as possible to our mutual customers?
Yeah, I definitely would think about the prompting. So what kind of questions are your users going to be asking? When we started off this partnership, we were just looking at text-only conversations between Canva and Superhuman, and we realized that's not where the benefit was. It was really in generating the images and being able to create those on-brand designs right in context. And so that was the important thing, making sure that our MCP server supported that use case and making sure that it was nice and easy to prompt for users directly in the agent. So we're also looking at adding more system prompts to make it a little even easier to be able to prompt correctly.
Oh, love that. Because we want to make sure what customers are prompting is actually what's being created in the platform so that it's useful on both sides. And then also wanted to end on, for those who are watching, what comes next for the Canva and Superhuman Go relationship.
Yeah, so we're super excited about being able to generate single page designs right now, and we're continuing to iterate and improve on what's available in our MCP. So since it is an MCP server, all of the changes that we're making to it are going to be instantaneously available in the Canva agent on the Superhuman Go platform. So for example, as we improve our prompt to deck ability, so being able to go from a single page brief to a multi-page design instantaneously is going to be massive. And we're excited to start being able to roll that out to more and more platforms.
That's going to be a great addition for our customers. Very excited for that release. So everyone should stay tuned for all the different updates and releases that we'll be doing with Canva and continuing to build on our partnership and product collaborations. And if you want to get started using the Canva agent, just go ahead and the link is in the description and you can get started using the agent today.
Awesome.